This is my first one. I like this one a lot too.
Okay, what's this game about?
It's about Flappy Bird. That means if you touch the screen, it should go through the things. There are some obstacles. You have to go through them. If you hit them, you're out. You have to start again.
Show us how it will work. Oh. So you got 1 point also. Oh, you get points also. Cool.
Yes.
Nice one.
I'll explain.
Okay.
And if you click on how it works, it shows you all the things that we did for it.
Okay. Okay, what is the next project you want to show us?
I need to get back out of this. Now my other one is dance party.
Oh, you love this dance party a lot, I know.
Yes. First, it changes background for each measure. And if you click on this up button, it changes its dancing movement.
Oh, cool. So you have used the measure block after each measure, like repeat every measure to make it change the background?
Yes.
Good. And your favorite song, Jingle Bells, isn't it?
Yes, I like Jingle Bells.
Okay. Cool one. Nice. And what is the last one you would like to show us?
It's about coins. So it's I think I have $9.
Okay.
Not 90. Oh, Mimi. I don't have $90.
Okay, then click on add button, right? So it add. Yeah, so it will come in the total. Oh, you made it 0 again.
Oh, that's funny. Now
Touch is a cheto.
Good. It's only 9 coming over there. Okay, remove. Okay, wait, refresh the page. Actually, at the starting only you pressed it. That's why it is glitching. Refresh it. Yes. Make sure first you will enter the number, then click on the button. Okay. Then, okay, then add. So you have total money. You should not click on the button first, Harshita.
Okay. I just restarted again. So I'll just use we'll just use 8. 8 as my number. And I'll show you if it okay, I'm forgetting this.
Let me tell you. No, it will not work. It's already nan over there. It will not work. Refresh your screen. Listen, Harshita.
Yes.
Okay, let me try one more time.